Hello everyone. Today I am going to forensic science paper June 2005. Going to question answer of forensic science paper 2. The paper contained 50 multiple choice, each of the carrying into 2 marks. The following person has done a significant contribution in the field of forensic ballistics: Burrard. GQD is not at the following palace, Delhi. The science of fingerprint was demonstrated by Francis Galton. Exciter filter is used in fluorescence microscope. The following gas is used as a carrier gas in GLC: helium. The blood stain cloth collected from scene of crime should be sent from examination after drying in shade at room temperature. Luminosid's green test is done for examination of the following: blood. The full name of NMR is nuclear magnetic resonance. In nucleotides, adenine pairs with the following: thymine. Soft X-ray are useful for the examination of first and second painting and jewelry. Because if hard X-ray can be created, painting and jewelry will be wasted. Heptoglobin occurs in blood, all of the above. RBC, WBC, serum. KBR palette is to be used in following examination: IR spectrometry. Match the following: Projectina, document examination; gel electrophoresis, blood examination; comparison microscope, bullet examination; Batley disc, fingerprint examination. Absorption evaluation technique is used for detection of the following blood stain. Arrange the examination method of semen in the proper sequence. 2. Visible examination. First, UV examination. Fourth, crystal test. Third, acid phosphate test. Karyotyping of the fetus is done from all except amino Give the proper sequence of the methodology in DNA typing. Second, cutting. First, sorting. Fourth, extraction. Third, splitting. If the blood group of both mother and father is O, the possible blood group of the child will be O. Ammonium sulfate method is used to extract the following poison from viscera: non-volatile organic poison. Match the following: drug nickname. A. Amphetamine upper, marijuana, blue angel, barbiturate. Sorry, amphetamine third upper, marijuana fourth, hemp, barbiturate second, blue angel, benzodiazepine first, Downer. Downer. The following alkaloid is present in opium, codeine. Arrange the following in the increasing order of the active principle: bhog, ganja, charas, hasi holy. Hashish holy. Following stimulant drug: cocaine. Exhaustion A. In case of bullet injury, entry wound is smaller than exit wound. Reason R. Bullet is distorted inside the body. Both A and R are true. Jeep guns are improvised gun. Exhaustion A. Sex can be determined with the help of pelvis bone. Reason R. The capacity of female pelvis is less than male pelvis. A is true and R is false, because female pelvis is more wider than male pelvis. Whole choke is the construction of barrel from my muzzle end. D 80 by 100, 0.80 inch by 100. Exhaustion A. Low explosive cause less deviation of the to the sorry, low explosive cause the devastation of to life and property. Reason are they produce less gas and energy. Both A and R are true. Exit wound of gunshot injury contain none of the above. Which of the organ is commonly affected by shock wave? Lungs. The beard hair has following shape: triangular. Flattened cuticle scales are found in the hair of women. The study of hair is known as trichology. Match the following: fiber source: cotton vegetable, pure silk animal, rayon artificial, asbestos mineral. The reflective index of glass can be determined by Bakelite method. Bakelite method. Method of compression tool marks is used to contour matching. The following substance can be used to casting of the tool mark woods metal. In the following is the oldest form of ink: carbon ink. In case of examination of paint, pyrolysis gas chromatography is used for characterization of binder. Blackening and tattooing skin and clothing can be best demonstrated by ultraviolet light also. Multiplying factor estimating stature from femur in case of male is 3.6 to 3.8. Sex chromatin is found leukocytes. In development of latent fingerprint by ninhydrin in reacts with the following amino acid. Match the following: Osborne document, Goddard ballistics, C. Herschel fingerprint, Crick 2. Chemically erased writing can be restored by treatment with thiocyanic acid. VSC is an instrument used for examination of third and fourth, erased writing, secret writing. Visual spectroscopy. Read the following passage and answer the question concerning it to it. In summer, decomposed, unidentified dead body was found in the floating of in a pond. The post-mortem examination revealed the presence of weeds in the hands of the deceased. The internal examination of dead body showed the presence of force in trachea and diatoms in lungs. The floating of dead body shows that the dead was caused 12 to 24 hours. The presence of weed in hand, diatoms in lungs, fourth in trachea, all of the above will ascertain that it is an ante-mortem drawing. The identification of dead body can be done by laundry and tailor marks on cloth. The fingerprint of deceased can be obtained by visual examination. That's all. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.